Hi everyone, I just want to show you what I'm wearing for church today. It is a black skirt. It's a very flowy black skirt. I have a black top. It's long sleeve because it is cold out where I live. And I have my cardigan, and I will be putting compression socks on. I have some health issues, so be putting that on, and some flats. And I do have a necklace. Let me see if I could get that focused right. Let's see if I can. So I have a necklace that with the cross for Jesus, the Blessed Mary, and Saint Michael the Archangel. And that is my cat that moved the camera for me. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna go to the store after church, and I'm going to get some potting soil of a plant that needs to be replanted, air filter for my furnace, and stop and get some cat litter. And then I'm gonna cross stitch for the day, maybe do some drawing, maybe cut some fabric squares for my quilt. Just a relaxing day, staying in and taking care of myself. This is the plant that needs to be repotted. It I think needs more room so it could grow. It looks like some parts are trying to mature a little bit in there, and it never blooms, so I think it's time to replant it.